Think about the last time you tried to figure out how to get healthy. You probably found yourself surrounded by people arguing over whether to cut carbs, try keto, or drink apple cider vinegar. This table highlights why managing money feels hard, the minutia trap. Instead of focusing on basic wealth building, we obsess over crypto, interest rates, or hot stocks. Both industries thrive when we debate these minor details, instead of looking at actual data. Over the next 5 minutes, we are going to cut through that noise. I'll show you how to build a simple, mathematically proven plan to start growing your wealth. To do that, I need you to grab a pen and a piece of paper. Go ahead and close all your other browser tabs too. Today is about taking action, not doing more research. Step 1. Write info glut at the top of your page and violently cross it out. Having an abundance of information might seem helpful, but psychologists call it the paradox of choice. When you are presented with too many options, you freeze. Look at this excerpt describing 401k retirement plans. For every 10 mutual funds added to a company's array of options, actual employee participation drops by 2%. The biggest threat to your financial security isn't picking the wrong stock, it's letting decision paralysis stop you from doing anything at all. Step 2. Draw a line straight down the middle of your paper. Label the left side Start Now and the right side Wait 10 years. This chart compares two different approaches to investing. On the left side is Smart Sally, who begins investing at age 35. She puts in $200 a month for exactly 10 years. After 45, she never contributes another dime to that account. On the right side is Dumb Dan. He's too preoccupied to worry about money until 45. At that point, he realizes he needs to catch up. He invests the exact same $200 a month for 20 continuous years until 65. Let's look at their accounts at retirement. Sally ends up with over $181,000. Dan has roughly $118,000. Even though Dan used his own money to invest for twice as long as Sally did, he finishes $60,000 behind her. If you're older than 35, I'm not showing you this to make you feel regret about the past. I'm showing you this math to give you maximum leverage right now. Time in the market mathematically beats timing the market. Today is the single most valuable asset you have in your portfolio. Step 3. Now that you've seen the math, pick your own starting monthly number. You don't need to build a complex budget to do this. Just pick a highly achievable baseline amount that you know you can manage right now, $50, $100, or $200. At the bottom of your paper, write the words "My Target," followed by the amount you just chose. By writing this physical number down, you are transitioning from having passive financial anxiety to actively planning your wealth. Step 4. Draw a heavy circle around that target number. This is the 85% solution. An imperfect plan you start today outperforms the perfect plan that stays in your head. Right now, millions of people spend their entire year arguing with strangers online about where the market is going, without actually investing a single dime. By locking in this single circled number, you've moved past the phase of thinking about it and into the phase of execution. Congratulations on taking this step. You bypassed the information overload, verified the math, and successfully made a definitive financial decision. Deciding on a single concrete amount is what separates the people who grow wealth from the people who just talk about it. Your immediate next task is to take that circled target number and put it on autopilot. In our next tutorial, I will show you exactly how to automate that monthly amount, so your money builds in the background while you sleep. You don't have to be a certified financial expert to get rich. You just need to get started today.